Patients come in frustrated because they're sick of their dentures falling out, they're sick of not being able to taste their food. The benefit of the implant supported denture is we're able to reduce the amount of material that's on that denture and have it snap into the implants that we place. So it's a lot more secure. We first get them in for a consultation where we take a three-dimensional scan to see exactly where their bone volume is. We want to make sure the patient's healthy. We usually try and place 4 to 6 on the upper arch, and the reason for that is the bone's softer. We want to place more in that area. And on the lower, I usually place around 4 to 5. Then we actually place a attachment on top of the implant. If you can think about it like a snap on a jacket, it allows us to then have the little attachments inside the denture that then have the denture snap in place. So the benefit of that is that we're able to convert their existing denture into that implant-supported restoration. So an implant-supported denture allows the patient to be able to function normally, chew their food, smile. They're not self-conscious about their denture possibly falling out. It just really gives them a lot more self-confidence. They smile a lot more. They're happier.